Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo phone sound vibration setting. And today we will title guys how to set ringtone on iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone on your iqoo mobile. So friends, how to set ringtone today friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you want to increase your phone volumes, media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm volume. You can increase and you can adjust your volume from here. Friends, you want to use your incoming call vibrate setting. So friends, click here. Friends, you can on guys your vibrate for call setting from here. Friends, click on always vibrate so you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use, click on never vibrate. Friends, you can see do not disturb setting. Friends, you want to enable do not disturb on your mobile, so you can enable your do not disturb and you can off from here. Friends, click on phone ringtone. Which ringtone friends do you like on your device? Select your ringtone. Friends, I will select this ringtone, this lifestyle ringtone I will select. And friends, you can see ringtone will set on iqoo mobile friends. So friends, ringtone will set, and friends, you can increase and decrease your ringtone volume from here. And friends, you want to set your notification ringtone sound. Friends, you can see notification ringtone sound is off. So how to set notification ringtone? Friends, click here, select your notification ringtone and you can on your notification ringtone sound. Friends, I will select happy ringtone, and friends, you can see sound will set. So like that friends, you can set your notification ringtone, and friends, you can set your phone ringtone. And friends, you want to set alarm ringtone, so same settings, select your alarm ringtone will set on device. So like that friends, we can use sound and vibration setting and we can set ringtone on iqoo mobile. So bye friends.